like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right.
Hello guys, we are in Meru and we are harvesting tea for the first time. This is how tea looks like. It is planted 6,000 meters above sea level. 6,000 meters above sea level. So, unakuja unachuna hivi 2 bands like that, the leaves, then you throw them behind you like that. Unachuna ukirusha nyuma yako zinaanguka kwa kikapu, but you have to look for 2 bands. See, not just yeah, 2 bands. Si majani tu yenye unafikiria kuchuna, kuna zenye zinahitajika 2 bands. Make sure you subscribe. This content creation is not easy. Share and like this video.